Hi everyone. In today's session, we'll discuss about router transformation. Router transformation, same as filter transformation, where you can filter out a data and then pass it to target. Okay, but in the filter transformation, you can check only one condition, and you can populate it into one target instance. But just assume that you want to populate data into multiple targets. In that case, you need to use multiple filter transformations, right? Based on the conditional values, you can populate multiple targets. So instead of multiple filter transformation, we can achieve the same requirement using a router. Okay, I will show it to you how we can use router transformation with multiple conditional values. So here I added source and target, and then here only we can add router transformation. Okay, we require expression transformation as well for this particular scenario. So here what we will do, we'll use a sequence generator as well. Okay, sequence generator, router transformation. Okay, and then source side, we'll use a sample CSV connection which was created by Informatica, and then we'll use accounts sample data. Here what we'll do, we'll read a data from accounts file, and then we'll load it into two target instances. Okay, so it will be like the scenario will be the alternative records. Will half of the record will load it into first target instance, and then half of the record will load it into second target instance. If we implement it using filter transformation, in that case we need to use two pipelines and then two filter transformation, right? But here we can use only router transformation, one router transformation, and then in the single router transformation we can check the multiple conditions, and then we can populate or we can process data to multiple target instance as well. Okay, so here source we have already configured, and then sequence generator, it will generate a numeric values, right? And here what we'll do, in the expression incoming fields expression. Okay, so here we are not going to do anything. In the router transformation, what we'll do, we'll use only required columns. If you want, you can use all columns. Okay, so here I will use account number, annual revenue, account source. Okay, only these columns. In the router transformation output group, so here you need to create multiple groups. So each group, it is works as a filter transformation itself. Okay, but in the single router transformation we can add multiple conditions. So first one we'll use first as a first target. Okay, here we'll add a condition. If you want, you can use advanced also. Edit filter condition, here feeds. Okay, here we have filtered out columns, right? So from sequence generator we require a sequence number also, right? Next val. Okay, so in the output group we are going to use next val itself. Okay, next val divided by 2 mod function will use it. System variable built-in function, date, numeric, mod function, mod function. Next value 2 equals to 0. Okay, expression is valid. So here next value divided by 2, if it is returning 0 value, that means the next value is getting divided fully divided by 2, so you won't get any reminder there. So in that case we are passing those values to first target. Same way we'll create another group where we are adding a condition like this. Okay, so validating it, then so now here you will see two output connections. So first target connected to first target, second target group connected to second instance. Okay, and then give a connections for a target instance. So here we are going to create it at the runtime. Okay, so formatting option none, comma separated. I am going to create a first target router dot csv. Okay, so that is the first target instance. Second one also we need to configure connections. Okay, so here also I am going to create a .csv file. This one is second target. Okay, now save. The job is valid. Run it. You can see my jobs here. The job is running now. It's in the starting status. Now it's running. So it will take few seconds to complete the job, as now we have multiple records there. So now you can see the job got completed. Okay, so it was showing rows processed 200. So let's check whether it was processed properly or not, and then whether it was populated data into multiple targets. So here just I will show it to you in the environment itself. So first target router, that's our first target instance, right? So I've selected that. Okay, so here you can see all even number from sequence generator, those related records populated to first target instance. All right, okay, now check the second target also. That should have all odd number records, right? Yeah, so all odd number records populated to second target. So this way we need to use router transformation, and based on your requirement you can create multiple groups to check multiple conditions. There is one more option, you will get it, default one. Just assume that you have added two conditions. If both the conditions are not satisfied, then you will get rejected records in the default group. So if you connect this particular group to another instance, so you will receive a rejected records as well. Okay, so if required you can use it, otherwise you can leave it without connecting to target instance. Okay, so try it out from your end and then let me know for any questions. Okay, thank you.